And number 10, we
The
have
big finale.
the big one. Spinach, rich in fiber and nutrients that feed good bacteria and it reduces inflammation and provide building blocks for good repair.
Yeah, no, when it comes to spinach, it's just an overall great green vegetable. You can really make it savory, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt, and you can just, it doesn't take a lot to get what you need.
No, you can put it in salads. You can put it in smoothies, which is a
Ooh.
really good one. You can put it in your scrambles, right, to get your greens in. So you can absolutely add all of these things into your diet every day.
Yeah, and that's exactly how you start to make this all work is you want to rotate these 10 foods throughout your week to fix your gut completely.
I agree. And all you just need is to start with 2 to 3 of these foods to put in your meal starting today.
Yeah, a little variety.
Pick the 2 or 3 that sounds good to you and incorporate it into your meals this week.
That's all you got to do. And then when you combine like the fermented foods with the probiotic foods and it has all the polyphenols, all the fiber. I mean, that's the biggest thing, fiber and all the nutrients and all these whole foods, you get synergistic, complete healing.
Yes.
Your body knows how to heal itself.
Yes, and you cut back on the why am I drawing a blank? You cut back on the processed foods and you increase these top 10 foods. You have a nice big salad with the chickpeas in it. And you have the spinach and you top it with the kimchi and your own homemade dressing and then maybe a bean burrito and a glass of green tea and you're golden for the day.
Yeah. And the thing is, this is not a diet.
No.
You don't have to diet whatsoever. All you got to do is just change the way you eat and eat less of the junk foods, eat more of the whole foods, and your joint pain will disappear. Your gut inflammation is going to resolve. And let me tell you, when it comes to your energy, it's going to skyrocket because you're going to be able to absorb all of the nutrients. It just becomes normal again to feel good because right now, how you're feeling, it's not normal. It's been normalized. And so you start to get the nutrients, all the immune symptoms of chronic diseases, they start to fade because your gut, it's like that's the main thing that you need to take care of in order for your body to absorb and heal itself.
Yeah, and if your body's absorbing all these minerals and vitamins and the fiber is taking out the bad things from you, you're going to feel satiated and you're not going to want to eat junk and you're not going to feel as hungry quickly because you'll be satiated.
Yeah, totally.
Because you have all your body's getting the nutrients it need.
Mm-hmm.
Your skin clears up, which is a big one for a lot of us out here, and because it's clearing from the inside out. Does that make sense?
Yeah, completely. Inside out, yeah.
You're healing from the inside out, I should say, rather.
100% completely. You just become free again from all these digestive issues, the pain-free movements. You're going to have confidence in that, your body can heal. It's not broken. That's a big lie that they be telling you people.
Yeah, especially as we age, things slow down.
Or genetic. No, not at all. Now, I'm going on 50 this year, and I tell you, I'm not even halfway there with my life. I feel like I'm 30, and it's all because of the things we have learned that we're sharing in the podcast.
Yeah, so these 10 foods actively rebuild your gut, and consistency creates a permanent healing.
Yeah, start with the 3 foods today. Just pick them out, and those 3 foods, put them in the comment below, and just say, hey, I'm committed to putting these 3 foods into my week's meal plan.
That's right. I can't wait to hear and see how you do. Subscribe for more natural healing protocols.
Yep, let's fix your gut.
Well, until next time, be well.
Take care.